I don't know if I should have done 2 or 1. This one only has 1. But I had extra and I was like, oh, why not? But I don't know. Now the other question is, are they spaced 1 inch apart? I had to do a little bit of shifting and moving when I was putting these on, and I really hope I shifted and moved them so that it is just a little slices here and there, not too bad. Whew. This was the more complicated one in that it had the blueberry embed inside. Oh, that's cute. It smells so good. I really love this blueberry. Ooh. It's one thing I love about in the pot swirls, hanger swirls, drop swirls. No 2 bars are the same. Like, every single bar is gonna look a little bit different. Which, ooh, I like that one. I like how it kind of colors around that. Ooh. And then blueberries on top. Not quite perfectly centered, but hey, they're still there. They're still blueberries. Oh, that's not bad. So, relatively easy pour, just lots of prep work in making the blueberries, the blueberry embed, the blueberries on top, and the leaves to go with it. So, yeah, let me know what you think.